My name is Happy and I am Harini. I hope all of you guys are staying safe and healthy. So today let's talk about safety. All of us want to feel safe, right? None of us want to be in an environment which is toxic or harmful. And this need or urge for safety has been in existence from the time early man was living. As we all know, early man led a nomadic life and his life constituted of n number of threats and dangers. And this made him realize the importance for safety. For example, early man understood the necessity of shelter when he was constantly affected by fierce winds or attacked by wild animals. The same reason led him to adopt clothing. Eventually, this also led him to settle down as small groups. These small groups later turned into a community, and while he was living in a community, he felt a sense of security and safety. And this community in turn led for the civilizations to blossom. And from this, we can clearly understand that for any society or any group of people to progress or live happily and healthily, safety is mandatory. Do you know why the concept of safety is so relevant even today? It's basically because, irrespective of age, gender, or nationality, all of us love to be in a safe environment. For example, kids want to be nurtured in a happy and healthy environment because it contributes to their growth. Investors want a safe business setting to put in their money without any worry. And same thing, even women want to be in an environment which is safe and welcoming for them to thrive and flourish. So this does not stop with monetary or physical benefits, but it also extends to mental well-being. That is when the concept of safe spaces come into play. So what is a safe space? A safe space is an environment where you can feel absolutely yourself and there's no fear or worry about judgment, and there's no need for you to explain yourself to others. It is a place where you feel valued, cherished and respected, and it is a place where you can unwind and feel cathartic. So different people find safety in different things. For example, certain people find the sense of security and safety in a relationship. The relationship can be anything between mother-daughter, father-son, friends. In the same way, certain people find their safety in a particular place. For example, a student considers his classroom to be his safe space because his teacher or his fellow beings are very supportive and encouraging, so he's able to freely express his opinions and exercise his intellect. On the other hand, certain people find safety in certain activities. For example, sleep can also feel really safe when they're surrounded by their favorite food items. Luckily for me personally, I find my safe space in art forms. And this is basically because from a very young age, I've been exposed to a variety of art forms, out of which dance is one art form that truly helps me to emote my deepest feelings without having to force myself or trouble myself too much. It is a way of naturally and seamlessly channelizing all my emotions and feelings for the greater good.
வைத்து காத்திருந்தேன் காற்றில் உந்தன் குரல் மட்டும் கேட்டிருந்தேன் சிரித்தாய் இசை அறிந்தேன் நடந்தாய் திசை அறிந்தேன்.
So I've been to dance from the tender age of 6. And back then, I didn't really know what dance was doing to me. It was just another hobby, and I used to spend like 14 to 15 hours in dance rehearsals, in stage performances, and my life was so busy. But as days and as years passed by, when I was around, when I was completing my teen years and entering into adulthood, that's when I understood that dance is more than a hobby to me. It is something that has been shaping my personality and defining my morale. And while performing, I basically am able to be unapologetically be myself, and I feel nowhere in the earth I can be so candid. And I'm also not a person who's very verbose when it comes to expressing my deepest emotions. And I kind of realized that over the years, dance has been a channel which has given me the opportunity to express those suppressed or unresolved feelings in a very seamless and easier way.
Life isn't easy, but with dance, it's made me a little stronger because I was able to let everything out. Dance is for everyone. Many think that they can't because it doesn't look good or because they can't dance to the beat. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just move your body and let the music fill your soul.
And also, dance made me understand the beautiful and the divine mind body connect. So, when I was young, I remember that my dance teacher used to keep repeating these lines from the Natya Shastra, which goes like Yato hasta tato drishti, Yatho drishti tato mana, Yatho mana tato bhava, Yatho bhava tato rasa, which simply means
Where the hands are, go the eyes. Where the eyes are, goes the mind. Where the mind goes, there is an expression of inner feeling, and when there is a feeling or a sentiment, an experience is evoked.
so this clears a lot of things and also kind of tells us that this mind body connect is more like a horseshoe effect than a linear connect that we all have, misconstrued. How is it a horseshoe effect? So whenever our mind is not in place, our body is not able to function properly. Similarly, we should also remember that when our body is not well, our mind can also not function properly. So, why this video? What is the conclusion? We should all agree that the world is a stressful place to live in, and in order to sustain and battle out all the things that life throws at us, we need to find a sense of balance and not feel burdened. The balance I'm talking about here is the mind and body balance. And in order to achieve the mind body balance, we need safe spaces. Because knowingly or unknowingly, whether you like it or not, we're all wearing a mask, or we're all trying to pretend to be something else which we are absolutely not. And we all need to be the best version of ourselves, and that is what the society and people around us demand from us. And no way we can all escape from this trap. But this safe space is a place which you can access whenever you're feeling the heat of the situation. I have found my safe space in dance. It gives me creative freedom, acts as a channel where I can emote my deepest feelings and unapologetically be myself. Likewise, you should also find your safe space. Well, don't stress out too much while you're finding out what is your safe space, because Sometimes these safe spaces can be simple activities which you are doing at a regular basis without even understanding that those activities are providing you the comfort and giving you the privilege to absolutely be yourself. And it takes time to discover these activities, just like how it took me so many years to discover what dance is to me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to meet you guys with a yet another interesting and wonderful video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you.